Hello everyone and welcome to Robotic Revolution. So today in this video we are going to do a very exciting project which is traffic lights controller using Arduino. So in this tutorial I will guide you step by step on how you can control your traffic lights controller project with basic components and some basic coding. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how it works, but also be ready to create your own projects with full confidence. So, without wasting any time, let's start. Now, first, I'm going to click this on this create button, then go to circuits, where you will see your interface. Now, I'm going to change this project name first, where you can see on the top left corner, you can change your name. What is our project name? Traffic lights controller. Yes, this is our project name. Okay, so here I have changed the project name. Now in this project, we required one Arduino, three LEDs, one breadboard, and three resistors. So let's drag the components here in your stimulation. Now we require this small breadboard. Now you need three LEDs, red, green. Here you will connect the second LED and the third LED you can connect it here. Now change the LED's color first. Now let's change this color to green, this color to yellow, as according to your traffic lights, and this will remains the same as red. Now in we required three resistors. Here you can connect it in the negative terminal of the LEDs like cathode. Here you can connect the second resistor. Now the third resistor you can connect here. Now I'm going to supply this negative terminal with our GND pin. Now I'm going to connect this. Here I have connected it. Now I'm changing the color to black. Now I'm going to connect this anode pin of green LED with our LED pin or jitter pin 8. So let's connect this. Here I have connected it. Now let's change this color to green. Now I'm going to connect this yellow LED with our digital pin 9. Now let's connect this also. Here I have connected this yellow LED. Now let's change this color to yellow. Now I'm going to connect this red LED with our digital pin 10. Now let's connect this also. Here we are done with our connection. Now let's change this color to red. Now we are done with our connections. Now I'm going to do the coding part. Now let's start the coding. Here I will connect the block codings to text. Here you can change it to text. Now then continue. Now here I'm going to write the code. Now first I'm going to set up this LED digital pins. What can I write it here as little int red is equals to 8. We have set red LED to 8. Sorry, we have connected this green LED first. First, let's change this color to green. We have connected to 8. Now the second LED, yellow LED, we have connected to 9. Now the third, we have connected the red LED to data pin 10. Now I'm going to write in the void setup functions like pin mode. We have to write here pin mode bracket 8 comma output semicolon copy this same from the upside. Here I can write as 9 comma output semicolon. Now in the third line, pin mode. Here I can write as 10 comma output. Now here we are done with our setup function. Now I'm going to write in the void loop function. Now here I'm writing this digital pin function, digital write. Here we can write it as 8 comma I. We need to on this LED so that we have written it as I. Now in this second line, we need to write it as digital write 9 comma low, because if our first LED is on, now second and third LED we need to off that time as according to the traffic lights controller. You have seen it on the streets. Now we need to write it as 10 comma low. Now in this we need to delay for, I'm going to write 8000 milliseconds or 8 seconds. Now in this line we need to write it as digital. Same, you can copy the code from upside. Here we need to write it as digital 8 comma low, because we need to off this LED that time. Here we need to write it as digital write 9 comma I. Here this yellow LED will on. Here we need to write it as digital write 10 comma low. It will off that time when the yellow LED is on. Here we need to write it as delay for 2000 milliseconds, because yellow LED will stop for only 2 or 3 seconds, or for the 8 seconds you can say. But in this project I will only show you that how the project works actually. So that's why I have written 2000 milliseconds here. Now in this I will write it same, copy from upside, digital write. Now we need to on this third LED. So what we need to write it as digital write 8 comma low here. Now in the second line, digital write 9 comma low. Only the third LED will glow that time. Here we need to write it as digital write 10 comma. We need to on this LED. So what we can write it as digital write high, so that our third LED will glow. Now on of this curly brackets, now we are done with our coding part. Now I'm going to start the simulation and let's see how it works. I think there is some error in the code. Okay, so here is the error. Here you can see we are done with our project. Here you can see the green LED is on right this time. It will glow for 8 seconds. Now this yellow LED for the 3 seconds and the red LED for 8000 milliseconds. I think there is some error in the code. Let's see. Okay, 8, 9, and 10. Then I did high, low, low. Okay, we did not give delay here. So delay for 8,000 milliseconds. Now we are done with our code. Now let's start the simulation and see this project. Now you can see it will go for 8,000 milliseconds. Now the second yellow LED will follow for 2,000, 3,000 milliseconds, and this for the 8,000 milliseconds or 8 seconds. Now the same process will repeat. This will go for 8 milliseconds, 8 seconds, this for the 2 seconds, and this for the 8 seconds. Now we are done with our project. Here you can see the coding part. You can copy this code, or I will copy this code in the description of this video. So if you like the project, then please subscribe to Robotech Revolution. If you want to see more such videos on this channel, then please like and share this channel so that I will be motivated to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching Robotech Revolution. If you want to make this project on your own, so I will write this code in the description box, or and the this connections you can see here. You can take the screenshot, or you can try it on your own self. Thank you for watching Robotech Revolutions. Bye bye.